Good morning, y'all. It's the first day of spring, and today I am going to clean out my yard and then I'm going to fertilize it. Why fertilize it now? Well, it's a perfect time to do it. The grass is coming out of its winter dormant, and I'm expecting rain the next 3 days, heavy rain, so I might as well fertilize it now and let that fertilizer sink in while it's raining. I do see a lot of brown spots, but that's okay. They are going to be waking up. These guys died because of the deers that I had during the winter and fall, but they are going to start growing again. As you can see, I set up a perimeter around my yard so the deer don't come, and it's actually been working now since November, December of last year. I have not seen one deer in my yard. So let's go ahead and start fertilizing this bad boy here. This is just 60 seconds of raking. See, you can't really tell what's in there. Leaves and dead grass. Pick it all up, because once you fertilize, you want to make sure the fertilizer goes into the deep roots and it doesn't get attached to the leaves. So this is the difference from that side to this side. Can't really tell on camera, but I see a lot of dead grass. All right, 1 hour, one tight compressed bag, and a back pain hour later. Okay, once you clean up, remove all the hay, all the dead grass, the leaves, then you're gonna get started and spread the fertilizer. Again, do this when you're expecting heavy rain the next couple of days. For me, for the state of Pennsylvania, or my city, my town, we're expecting rain the next 3 days. And now it seems like we're clean, we're done brushing off all the dead grass and leaves. Now we're gonna go ahead and fertilize this beautiful grass. All right, so now I'm done putting in the fertilizer. Everything's done. All I could do now is just patiently wait for Mother Nature. In the next 3 days, she'll be raining, pouring, laying it all in, letting it grow. All we can do is just wait. And this is what my yard looks like after 3 weeks, and I had just cut the grass this morning. The reason why I did it after 3 weeks is because this whole week, well, the last 2 weeks I was letting it grow, and then this whole week was just watering it because of the sun that we were getting. But starting tomorrow, the next 2 days, it's gonna rain, so it's a perfect time to cut the grass. And this is what it looks like. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was useful for you guys.
Let me show you everything I know.